Hello, I would like to show you a cleaning process that makes sense, especially when you have a beautiful antique Oriental rug that your dogs or your cats using it not in a proper way. Let me show you the PetPeePee revolutionary cleaning process, then reward me with a 5-star review. I pick up this morning 18 by 28 120 years old wool Oriental rug saturated with a dog's urine odor. Let me show you how we clean Oriental rug without touching the rug in the wet cleaning process. We never use a scrubber. We never use a centrifuge machine. We clean your Oriental rug through, and we use the odor-free organic cleaning product that I put together from the Dead Sea. PetPeePee. Enjoy the video. I'm looking to do a business with you. After we flood the rug on the top with the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea, the vacuum located under the rug vacuum everything through the rug. This is how we can wash all the nuts and all the wool and everything that it's deep inside the rug that nobody can reach it. We vacuum through the rug, everything. And the tubes show me what's coming from your rug. It's mean when the tube is clear, we finish cleaning your rug. PetPeePee is nationwide service.